All right, so in the following problem, we are given 2x plus 2 squared equals to 4, and we are tasked to find this x value right here. So first thing we're going to do, we want to get rid of this exponent. And one way you can do it, you can just do 2x plus 2 times 2x plus 2 and then expand the entire thing. But that's going to be pretty unnecessary because then you're going to have to factor it again to solve for x, which is just a long process. So another thing we can do, we can just take the square root of this term right here and this term right here, these two terms, to get rid of that exponent. So I'm going to rewrite the equation. 2x plus 2 squared equals to 4. And like I said, we're going to take the square root of this, which is going to cancel out this square. But what we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So rewritten, this is going to be 2x plus 2 equals to, I already have an equal sign there, equals to the square root of 4. And we know that the square root of 4 is equivalent to plus or minus 2. It's plus or minus 2 because you can square negative 2, it's going to give you 4. And you can also square positive 2, and it's going to give you 4. So now let me rewrite this as 2x plus 2 is equal to plus or minus 2. Now we can actually split this up into two separate terms, or two separate equations, sorry. We can solve for 2x plus 2 equals to regular 2, and 2x plus 2 equals to negative 2. These are going to be the two solutions for x. So let's start with the first one. We have 2x plus 2 is equal to 2. So let's try to isolate this x. So we're going to subtract both sides by 2, which is going to equal to 2x equals to 0. You can divide both sides by 2 to isolate this x right here. And you're going to do x is equal to 0 over 2, aka 0. So x equals 0. I'm going to write the solution down here. X equals 0 is a solution. So we're going to keep that there. Now let's solve this bottom one here. We have 2x plus 2 equals to negative 2. So let's bring this 2 over to the other side. And to do that, we can just do the exact same thing, subtract both sides by 2. And then we're left with 2x equals to negative 2 minus 2, which is negative 4. And to isolate the x, we just do what we did before, divide by 2 on both sides to cancel out this 2. And it's going to leave with x is equal to negative 4 over 2. You can simplify this negative 4 over 2 into just x equals negative 2. So this is also going to be an equation. So your final answer is going to be x is equal to 0, comma, negative 2. And that will be your final answer.